Applying for an enduring power of attorney. Generating your documents. Step 1 online. As part of the first step for applying for an enduring power of attorney or an EPA on the MyDSS portal, you will need to complete your own details. You are known as the donor or the person making the enduring power of attorney application. You will need to gather the following information before filling in your application: your name and address, your date of birth, your email address, your civil status and living arrangements, any relevant medical conditions or any communication and accessibility needs you have. We ask about this information so that the DSS is aware of your requirements as we engage with you in the application process. You will also need to tell us about your attorney's details. If you have more than one attorney, you will need to provide this information for each person. In an enduring power of attorney, the word attorney means a person whom you know and trust, whom you are choosing to make certain decisions if you lose capacity in the future. For your attorney's details, you will need the following information: your attorney's name, date of birth, and PPS number. Your attorney's email address. The email address you provide here must match the one used on your attorney's MyDSS verified account. This must be a different email address to the one you used to create your account. Please take care when entering your attorney's email, as it needs to be spelled correctly in order for the MyDSS message asking them to accept their role as attorney to be received. Your attorney's residential address. Your relationship to the person you have chosen to be your attorney. How long you have known your attorney. Whether you want them to be your main attorney or a replacement attorney. In this section, you must tell us about any other decision support arrangements you have. This includes any of the following: a decision-making assistance agreement, a co-decision-making agreement, a decision-making representation order, an enduring power of attorney, or an enduring power of attorney under the old Powers of Attorneys Act 1996, or an advanced healthcare directive. If you have one of these agreements, select Add Existing Arrangement to provide us with some details. If you do not have any existing decision support arrangements, you should select Save and move to the next section. Importantly, you need to tell us what types of decisions you wish to include in your enduring power of attorney. You must specify if you wish to include personal welfare decisions only, property and affairs decisions only, or both. You then tell us the authority you wish to give to your attorneys for each type of decision. This could be general authority for all decisions, or specific authority for one or more of these decisions. Please refer to our website for extra guidance on this. You can also include any exceptions or conditions that you wish to apply. Once you are happy with all the details in your EPA, the supporting documents can be generated using the Generate Documents button and are available immediately for download using the download symbol on the right of each document. If any document or changes are required, this can be done in real time by logging into your account and making those changes directly into the system. At step 1E, where you generate your documents, you must click Save and Return to Application to complete step 1 of the application. Before clicking Save and Return to Application, you may change any of the application details that were entered in steps 1A to 1D. If you do change any details, You will need to regenerate your documents so that the changes are reflected in those documents. When you are sure that all details have been entered correctly, you must click Save and Return to Application, which will trigger a MyDSS message to be sent to your attorney or attorneys asking them to accept their role. Attorneys must respond to this message before you can submit this application. Please note, once you do click Save and Return to Application, you can no longer add any other attorneys to your application. These documents are unique to you, the donor. They are pre-filled with your application information and will have blank sections to be filled in where needed. To ensure that you're on the right track, the documents that will be generated are the Enduring Power of Attorney instrument template, the donor declaration, the legal practitioner statement, the statement of capacity, the attorney declaration, and the notice form. When you complete each stage, a green tick will appear against the application step to show you that you have completed that stage. There is also an application progress bar at the top of this page to show you how far you've progressed with the application. At any stage, you can leave and return to the application in your portal account.